Arrive in style with this 2004 Ford Explorer Sport Trac. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. This vehicle comes with a reliable 6-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. This vehicle's top features include power outlet, driver vanity mirror, 4-wheel disc brakes, auto-dimming rear-view mirror, running board side steps, cruise control, and privacy glass. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. This car won't be available much longer. Call now to schedule a test drive at our dealership.